So Data.gov is sort of one-stop place to look at data sets released across government. We just went through a redesign and a relaunch of the site, and we're in the process of rolling out a whole new architecture whereby agencies are producing a catalog and inventory of all their available data sets, which will sort of provide a better way of seeing sort of like the comprehensive universe of data available across the federal government. And we've also sort of tried to look more at the opportunity to structure the experience of Data.gov more around sort of intuitive topics. So people might not necessarily know a particular agency that produces a data set, but they could probably figure out that it's energy related or weather related. So we've tried to organize topics around these areas that not only highlight the data sets related to that area, which may be coming from multiple different agencies, but also highlight sort of case studies and examples and applications that have come out of that data to sort of demonstrate the value and sort of opportunities around that data in ways that people can use new technology, new applications to make the most of that data, whether that means creating new companies, sort of better serving your community, having a better experience finding the right school. There's obviously a sort of infinite sort of amount of opportunities around this data, and we're not necessarily always going to know what those are. So we're really trying to be a platform for sort of new data economy, new opportunities around innovation with government data, and anything that we haven't thought of yet.
It's also a big part of the Open Government Initiative and also the recent Open Government, Open Data policy. It's a major change in the way federal agencies will handle their data, where the default now will be that all of their data openings will be available to the public. And Data.gov will aggregate from all of those different agencies so that there will be one comprehensive catalog that someone can go to find all the federal government data sets that are available. So in the redesign, we took into account a lot of user feedback about how to make the site easier to use and navigate, and also to emphasize what the impact of open data is, so that it's not just a listing of data sets, but more of a showcase of how open data can improve the lives of citizens by solving their everyday problems. We also did a lot of the development in the open. We used GitHub to track all of our issues and take pull requests from other developers, people outside of government, so that it's a really new, transparent way of how we actually continue to work and improve on the website. So by being more open and engaging with the public and gathering more feedback, you'll be able to keep looking at Data.gov and see how it evolves to better meet the goals of the government.
And please go to Data.gov, see all the data sets that are there. You can use the contact section to give us any feedback, request anything that you think is relevant. In some case that points you to GitHub, and particularly if you're a developer, there's a developer section. You can learn about all the open development process and the open source code behind Data.gov. So we encourage you to give us feedback and get involved. Thank you.
Thanks.